Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really colorful freehand and nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swipe on, I'm going to paint on different colors. I wanted this design to be very vibrant and bold. I wanted to show you that you can create a nail design really simple and easy. And this is a really simple and easy design for anyone to recreate. Now you don't have to add as many colors as I did, or you can be crazy and add as many colors as you want. This is just a perfect design to do on any kind of nails. Then using my Bundle Monster Sloteazzy, I hope I said that right. This is a water marble nail plate. It's really simple and easy. It's really cool too, because if you don't want to do water marble, it's a perfect nail plate for anybody. Now I applied white polish and I put it on my nails. I wanted this to be really easy and simple. And then I did remove the liquid latex, but I had a little accident earlier. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy to follow. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.